Yan guys, deliver nila yung
Morning.
hello, yes.
Washing machine for Marie Jarvis.
Yes, I am. Good
Yeah.
morning, yeah.
Morning. There we go through here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Where are we?
Just put there.
Here's it go. In there.
Yeah.
It goes in there.
Yes.
Have you not got an old one to take away now?
What?
Have you not got an old machine to take away?
This one.
That's not a washing machine. Is it? That's a tumble dryer, that.
Yeah, but we don't need.
No, I can't do that one.
Okay.
Now I've only got you down for fitting your washing machine. So it goes there, does it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Or here. This one is here. Just put like that. Gumagana na siya. Gumagana na ang aking washing machine. Hindi na ako mahirapan guys. So, thank you Lord sa blessing. Thank you. Grabe. Saya-saya ako kasi mahirap maglaba dito guys sa steam. Dryer lang meron sa amin. So, yan kompleto na lahat. May dryer, washing, ganun. So, this is it.